children, good morning. Today's session is about GK, which we did last week. Few more animals we will add to what we had done in the last week. So let us start the session with a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, feet together. Okay? Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Hari Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Om Hari Hari Om. Okay, open your eyes and get ready. Yes, children. Last week I told you that domestic animals are animals which are useful to us. Some animals we keep them as pet, like the cat, and it takes care that there are no rats in the house. Yes. This week we will add few more domestic animals which are useful to us. Those animals which help us, which are useful to us and very important in our life are called as domestic animals. Today I will show you few animals more and then we will sing a few rhymes. This is a continuation of the last week's domestic animals. Okay? Come, we will show you the animals. Yes, this is the cat. Wow, such a beautiful cat. It looks real. Yes? Cat. Then the dog. Yes? Such a beautiful dog is sitting. Yes? Then we have the goat. Then we have the goat which is in the farmhouse. Today we are going to learn cow. See this cow. There are two types of cows. One is black and white and one is brown. Yes? Cows give us milk. And which other animal give us milk? The buffalo. Yes? Cows and buffaloes give us milk. Then we have the horse. Wow, such a beautiful horse. Yes? A big brown horse. Horse help us to go from one place to another. Yes. And horses are even helped in taking some goods. So horses are very friendly animal. Yes. Then we have the rabbit. Wow, see we have the two rabbits over here. They are in the farm which are running. Here is a real rabbit. Wow. Yes. The rabbit's fur is very soft. Yes. Rabbits also clean up the farmhouse. They eat away all the small insects. So rabbits also are in domestic animals. Then we have the pig. Oh, the pig is in the farmhouse. See the beautiful farmhouse. This is the pig. Yes. And then we have the sheep. Yes, sheep give us wool. Sheep give us wool. And this is Mary with her little lamb. Yes. So these are the farm animals. So let us see once more. Yes. Cat, dog, goat, cow, rabbit, rabbit, pig and sheep. Okay, so these are our domestic animals. Yes, now we will sing a few rhymes on these animals, okay, to make it more interesting. You all will learn these rhymes, children. They are very good, and you're in conversation and new words you will learn with these rhymes. Okay? Come on. First we'll sing the rhyme on the cat, what we sang last time. Yes? Meow meow pilli, palakosam velli, mutati sitaga, mutikale baga. Yes? So what does the cat say? Meow meow. Yes? Then is the dog. Bow bow. Dog takes care of a house. It is a very friendly animal and it does not allow any robbers to come near your house. I love dogs. Okay? Then what do we have? We have a rabbit. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Don't let the farmers have fun, fun, fun. Bang, bang, bang goes the farmer's gun. So run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Don't let the farmers have fun, fun, fun. Okay. Then there is another song. Yes, on the horse. Yes. लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 दुम दबा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 दुम दबा के दौड़ा. Yes? Yeah, this is a horse rhyme. Okay. Now we will sing the farm song. Yes? Old MacDonald, which you all like it very much. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow bow here and a bow bow there. Here a bow, there a bow, everywhere a bow bow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some rabbits, E-I-E-I-O. With a ribbit, ribbit here and a ribbit, ribbit there. Here a ribbit, there a ribbit, everywhere a ribbit, ribbit. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some goats, E-I-E-I-O. With a mare, with a mare there. Here a mare, there a mare, everywhere a mare, mare. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, so learn these rhymes, children. Learn about the domestic animals, where they stay, what they do. We will do it in the next class. Okay? Parents, please see that the children learn these rhymes. Thank you. Namaste.